Hi, welcome to philhome.com. Today we're in Portofino South, a high-end village, and we're going to take a look at this newly built house, which is almost done. It's got about 2 months to go, so let's go check it out. So you can see the house is 700 square meter living space, and it has a garage sub-basement that holds 6 cars, and you can hold a couple cars here, but I'll show you that later. You can see it's still under construction. They say it'll be completed in about 2 months, so all this construction material and everything will be removed and everything. It'll be all nice brand new house. So as we walk into the front door here, you can see there's a big open space with open ceiling, high ceilings. And we'll immediately go to our left here. And this is a type of, I think this is the dining room area with sliding glass door to the outside. I'll just show you a little quick look down there to show you how much property there is. So this is the dining room area. And then you walk into here, and this is the kitchen area, but I'm going to go over here first and show you this room to the right. There's a room on the ground floor here. You can see, looks like mahogany or 𝗟𝗶𝘃𝗲 on the floor here. You see the bathroom. Sorry, there's no light, so it's a little dark. See the CR, shower, so full bathroom with cabinets, built-in cabinets. So this is your ground floor bedroom or office. And then from the living room, they haven't put the glass railing here yet, but as you can see, nice little hangout area here for coffee. Show you how deep it is here. There'll be a glass rail here, and you can see there's a stairway over there. And on the other side, there's a stairway, but I'll show you that later. So we'll go back to the kitchen. You can see the stairway in the corner there. But we'll go upstairs later. So you have the kitchen island, built-in cupboards. They haven't put the sink in yet. And it looks like they're going to put cabinets along the wall there. I can see it traced out. So looks like they're going to probably put a stove in there maybe. This door leads to the side of the house. This door leads to the side of the house. And here we have the dirty kitchen. And then they have a stairway that goes down to the garage, but we're going to go the other way, and I'm going to show you the upstairs first. You can see this cabinet's stainless steel. Massive house. Okay, so there's a stairway down. We'll go down that way when I come back and work our way back up through the kitchen. There's a sliding glass door here with a little balcony. Really wide stairway. Notice how the steps are lowered so you don't have to do high steps. Lots of glass. This is a corner lot. You see on the side of the stairs there's glass, but you can see through into the living room. This is a corner lot in Portofino South. Portofino South is a very high-end village in this 𝗟𝗶𝘃𝗲 area. Another little balcony you can see out from here. Okay, so we have a bedroom here. All wood floors. They're not stained yet. Then you have closet space. And then another full bathroom, tiled to the ceiling. If you're interested in this house, you should jump on it. Then you can have them stain the color that you want on the floor. That'd be nice. You can see above the bed area here, this is the bed section. And this bedroom, big windows, has a nice, lovely built-in walk-in closet. And then you walk into full bathroom with shower, tiled up to the ceiling. Really nice cabinets too, nice texture. Let's make our way around here. Then you have another big bedroom. Same setup, over the bed, AC, big window. Lots of light. Same setup, walk-in closet. You can see this door's open, it's got shelves and things. And then it got a full bathroom here too, shower, CR. So these are some big bedrooms. Then you have the master bedroom. You can see this. See where the bed, tells you where the bed's supposed to go. Then you got a little nook area over here. And then a sliding glass door for a little balcony. And as you can see, the glass railing is not put in yet. Let's go check out, it's got a huge walk-in closet. See, here's the CR, it's still under construction. See, double sinks. Showers over there. It's going to be a ceiling drop shower. There's cabinets over here, and then you walk through this door. You have cabinets all down the side. Sorry about the lighting, they don't have electricity. You have cabinets here. Big vanity area. Most likely it's written on the wall there, mirror, so a big mirror will go there. And then over here they got these really nice tinted glass sliding closet doors. Nice and smooth. So you can see all the cabinetry here and shelving. So a big master bedroom. And then over here you have more sliding glass doors and another balcony that you can see out there through the plastic covering. Let's go down to the lower part of the house where you can park 6 cars, maid's rooms, driver's rooms, storage rooms. Now let's proceed down. This is the type of glass railing they're going to put on the fronts of all those balconies. Big windows down here to get light. It's a little dark down here, so bear with me. We've got a little space in here under the stairs. To the right is a CR, but it's not finished yet. Still got concrete countertop, but you get an idea. Then we walk into the underground garage. You can see it comes down to the slant, and that open space you see will have a steel grate over it. That's for drainage. So you can see you can hold quite a few of cars in here. In this room over here to the left, I don't know exactly what it is, but it looks like a big storage area. So it's a pretty good sized room in here. Probably for like tools and things for the cars and washing stuff for the cars. And then we'll come over here. You can see this is the stairways, leads up to the kitchen. But we're going to go on the outside of the house when we go back up. So here you have driver's room. This is the maid's room, but the door is locked. And this is their CR. So then if you come down through here, this gets to the backyard. As you can see, you can make your way to the front driveway. And then we have the stairway going up. Doors to the kitchen, the dirty kitchen. Sliding glass door to the dining room. And we got stairs here to go down. You can hold several cars in this garage. So the estimated time to finish this house is about 2 months, they claim. And then it'll be ready for sale, but we're selling it now, pre-sale. If somebody finds this interesting and you like what you see, then you can either look down in the description, there'll be plenty of links. You can go to 𝗟𝗶𝘃𝗃𝗵𝗶 and contact us there, or you can go to 𝗟𝗶𝘃𝗃𝗵𝗶 Facebook page and chat with us from your personal Facebook. And you can watch this video, of course, you found it in YouTube. So I hope you enjoyed this tour by 𝗟𝗶𝘃𝗃𝗵𝗶, and thanks and have a great day.